What's up, mi gente? We're back in the kitchen, and today we're gonna be making some soy mustard salmon. Let's get into it. First, we washed our salmon, cut it in half. Then we'll be applying some of our oil, rubbing it in all evenly. And then we'll be moving on to adding a thick layer of mustard, smothering it really, really well. Now for some adobo, some garlic powder. Now for some garlic pepper. And lastly, our soy sauce. You don't have to put too much. Now onto the stove and covering it up at a medium-low. And after cooking for 15 minutes at a medium-low covered up, look at this salmon. Look at how it just breaks apart with this wooden spoon. Look at this. So flaky, so delicious. Pair it with anything you like. I paired mine with some steamed broccoli. Thank you for watching. Again, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.